Drai, and today I'm vlogging to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. My friend and I are here on like a little girls weekend. We're here from Wednesday to Sunday, but I don't get home until Monday morning because we're taking a red eye. I need to show you this hotel room. It is so cute, so bougie, so girly, and it is just so cute. So when you walk in, the first thing you see is a little mirror. I look like a boy. And then you have a nice little full-length closet. Full-length closet, is that a thing? And then here's a little overview, and then I'll go into detail. So the bathroom is right here. My friend's in the shower right now, but I'll show you guys after. It is so cool in there. But so right here we got a little coffee machine, and what I think is so cute is the marble counters. Like, this is so gorgeous. We got the Tylenol so that we won't have headaches in the morning. Yeah, we got some glasses, the little mini fridge, and I think this is the cutest headboard ever. So yeah, those are the beds. And then over here we have another little marble counter, and then over here we have like a little dresser for our drawers. I'm like obsessed with like the wallpaper, the marble. Then we got the TV going on. Then we have like a little lounge area. This is actually gonna be a really cool place to like take pictures on. Prop up on that chair right there. Have a nice little photo shoot with the little marble nightstand. I thought this was adorable as well. Everything is just so girly and so cute. Then we have another nightstand. So yeah, this one is my bed and this one's my friend Kayla's bed. And then the most amazing thing is the view. Like, we have the view of the Bellagio fountains, which goes off at nighttime every 15 and 20 minutes, I think it is. So at nighttime, it's gonna be right there, and I'm gonna show you guys later on tonight what it looks like. But yeah, you can see like the Eiffel Tower, the Cosmos right here, the Bellagio. What else is there? Aria. Yeah, I just think the view is incredible. It's so pretty. Okay, so don't mind how messy it is, but this is the shower. A nice little glass one. And we got a little tub. The toilet. Okay, this is so messy. This is embarrassing. And I love this sink, it's so cute. And then this is a TV. So while you go in the bathroom, you could have some entertainment. No, you're not gonna turn on? Oh, there we go. And yes, this is the bathroom. So after my friend gets out of the shower, I'm gonna hop in real quick, and then we're gonna get ready. We're gonna go to Dick's Last Resort for dinner time. Then we're gonna get ready for the night. Today is like more like a low-key day, since it was like a travel day and we're like exhausted and stuff. So the next vlog, I don't know if I'm gonna make a bunch of vlogs or just one big long vlog. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I will see you guys at Dick's Last Resort. Bye. To this guy right here.
How do I do that?
Flip the camera. Let me see. You do it. This guy is the reason for my balloons. What is this?
Sick though.
Guys.
Did it work?
What is this? I got so nervous. I was like, where is he taking me?
I got nervous.
What do you got to say to the people?
Everybody asks me why they call me the dentist. Because I always leave them with the mouth wide open, you know?
Oh! Bomb. What'd you get?
I got the salmon with some mashed potatoes.
Because she smells like fish. Why do you look so sad?
I've been home more than a diabetic. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I don't know. Guys, they're trying to give us diabetes out here. The room is so gross. We literally have Cheez-Its on the floor. Guys, I am the worst vlogger. It's the next day. We just like haven't really done anything eventful. We've been like sleeping. But yeah, last night we went to Dick's Last Resort and it was so fun. The waiters made everything really fun and it was just like a good environment. It was good times. Kayla, did you have a fun time?
I'm happy we're alive.
No, I meant at Dick's.
Oh, yes. The waiter was bomb.
Yeah, so we went to Dick's. Shout out to Dick's for hooking it up with a little complimentary meal. They were mad nice.
That brownie sundae though.
I know, it was huge and it was bomb. But yeah, go check them out. They'll be linked in the description. So thanks again, Dick. Like today, we woke up so tired. And now we're headed to a pool party right now at Wet Republic. Why is my camera tilted? But yeah, I got my bathing suit on underneath. I'm gonna try to vlog that on my phone because I need some content here. I've been slacking on the vlogs. But then later, what are we doing later, Kayla?
Wait, are we seeing Bow Wow?
No, that's tomorrow.
What's tonight?
Today, chain smokers. But what do we need to like adventure something. Should we want to do the roller coaster later?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do the New York roller coaster. But yeah, I will show you some of Wet Republic and we'll be right back. All right, bye.
They be like this. Yeah, these niggas like me. Haters wanna fight me. Yeah, these niggas mad cause I came up on. What? Okay. What?